Hey everybody, Corinne Blackstone here. I'm so excited because it is Prime Day today and tomorrow. And so I wanted to show you some of the Prime Day deals that I have found. There's a lot of really good ones, but I'm also going to show you how to check your Prime Day deal, which I did with all of these to make sure that they are a good deal. So first, let me show you around a little bit, and I'll link this list down in the video's description, but you can also go to amazon.com/shop/Corinne Blackstone, and that'll take you to my Amazon storefront. One of the deals that I really love are the Nakapa mats. That is 10 mats for $16.49, which is a really, really good price. Nakapa is one of my favorite mats that I use all the time. I also put this label maker in, and I'm super sad because I paid $22.99 for this about a month ago, but I love this. It has helped me keep my craft room super organized. I was able to label all my drawers and stuff, and they peel off. So if you change your mind or you want to put something else in the drawer, it's really easy to change that up. Now we've also got lots of great sublimation deals, which include acrylic nameplates for tumblers, actual plates, which I've never done but totally want to, so I may grab those. We've also got heat tape. This is 6 rolls of heat tape for $7.99, which is such a good deal. I also found a 6-pack of sublimation glass cutting boards that I thought would be really, really fun to play with, and for $32 you get quite a few. These make awesome gifts, and I can't wait to try those out. Now these are also a favorite of mine, the car coasters. These are made of neoprene, so they are able to be used with sublimation, but you could also put HTV on them if you want to. I have them in my truck and I love them. They're so helpful. This huge blank product, like sublimation blanks, is such a good deal. It's got keychains and mouse pads and flags, all sorts of stuff, coasters, pillows, earrings, all sorts of stuff. 114 pieces for $22.93. Now, while these may not be the most amazing quality products, if you're getting started or if you want some things to test on, this is a great deal. I also found a 4-pack of the 10-inch wind spinners, which are so popular. Those are really, really fun. We also have HTV Ront. They've got a lot of stuff on sale right now. I don't know if it's pronounced Ront or Ront, but whichever. But they have their sublimation HTV, and this is for dark or light fabrics for $10, less than $10 for their big roll. Now, if you've got a laser, these next 2 deals are great. There's some acrylic on sale as well as some leather patches and leather keychains. But those leather ones can be used with HTV if that's something that you're interested in. I've also got a cup cradle. There are some sublimation mugs that are a really good deal. This down here is a 40-piece sublimation air freshener blanks. So if you've ever wanted to try the air fresheners, now is the time because $9.99 for 40 pieces of stuff is great. I also saw this craft cart organizer. I don't have it, so I can't speak on it, but it has great reviews and it looks really handy with all of the spaces to keep all your vinyl rolls, to keep your heat presses, your mats, and your Cricut all in one spot. Now this is an extension tray for your Cricut Maker 3 or the Explorer machines. This is just so if you're using a really long mat, it doesn't hang and cause your vinyl to move or your cut not to be completely straight. I also really like these cutting mats. This is a brand that I did try. They are really nice. I still prefer the Nakapa, but for the price, that's a good deal. PYD Life also has a lot of great products, and I just thought these were really cool. They are glitter skinny sublimation tumblers. They come in a bunch of different colors, so you can grab these. They're 50% off, which is such a good deal, especially for sublimation blanks. And we've got some more HTV Ront products right here. I have the heat transfer vinyl bundle. It's a 20-pack of 12 by 3 foot rolls, I believe, for $42.39, which is a really great price. Their HTV is pretty good. I don't hate it. Is it my first choice? No, but for that price, it's pretty darn good. They're also offering a bundle deal of their heat transfer paper for t-shirts, so it's printable HTV, and this is going to include 25 sheets of light and 25 sheets of dark. Now this was on sale just a few minutes ago and no longer is, so this is something that I would remove from my list, but you've got to jump on these deals as soon as you see them. Now, right now, the Cricuts are offering tons of deals. So the Cricut Easy Press 3 is only $159, which I think is such a good deal if you're looking for an easy press. But they also offer the Joy right now, and this Joy comes with a bunch of materials, the tool set, an extra mat, I believe, and pen and a couple other things, and then 2 like guides to use it with for $129.99. You can get the Joy for $99 or spend the extra $30 and get it with all the materials and stuff. I would just do that. I don't love the Cricut materials, but for the price, they're great to practice with. We also have the HTV Ront auto tumbler press. I have not used this, but I have a couple friends who have it, and they say they really like it, and it works really, really well. This is a great price on it at $129.19. You can do tumblers, mugs, all sorts of fun stuff in this, and it's really nice. I also found these blank men's cotton moisture wicking t-shirts. They look really nice. These are actually the ones that my husband uses as just like blank t-shirts, but I think these would be really good to decorate on, and they're really great price. You get a 6-pack for $10.64. Now, listen, back to school is coming. We all know it, and one of the things that I see on the back to school list a lot are dry erase markers. These dry erase markers are only $8.40. We've also got a bunch of sublimation like glass tumblers, skinny tumblers. Here's some more glass ones down here. These are the 13 ounces, and then these are the 18. Both come with the bamboo lids. I've also found a deal on sublimation ink from Hippo. These are super cute. Like, they work really well, but what I love about them is that they plug right into your Epson printer. This is also transfer tape. This is for heat vinyl, so if you're using like a printable heat like heat transfer vinyl or something like that with lots of pieces, this transfer tape works really well on that. I used this for a class that I did, and it worked so well for everything that we printed out. But this is for printable products, HTV products, not for like vinyl. It might work on vinyl. I didn't try it. We've also got some more skinny tumblers. This is a big pack. This is the 20-pack for $80. I also found some sublimation ceramic blanks. You get 25 pieces for $29.59, and then there's those cups again. This is kind of cool. These are a wood pack of marble coasters, but what's cool about these is you can actually laser engrave on these. They're really neat. They work really well. They're super fun. And you can always use HTV or vinyl on them too if you want. I also found this inkjet printer from HP, which they're not my favorite, but as long as you're not printing anything really thick, I think the HP printers are fine. And this one has a gravity feeder, so it would be okay probably, but it's $99, which is a pretty decent deal. The Gorilla Glue hot glue gun is a wired glue gun, but it does work really well. And it comes with like extra glue sticks and stuff for $23. Now, if you're somebody who does markets, this canopy is such a good deal. I've got 2 people that have this that I do markets with like every week, and they're holding up so well. They're easy to set up. They come with a carry case, and they come with weights, so you're good to go with those. I also had a lot of people asking about thermal label printers, and I found this one, and this one's a really, really good deal, so let's take a look at it. This thermal laser printer on sale is $79.96, but you can actually get it for even cheaper if my computer would stop opening up the picture. You can see here, you can apply for a 20% off coupon. So when you add this to your cart, it'll actually only be $59.96. This has pretty good reviews. Looks like people really like it. It's Bluetooth and USB compatible, so you've got a lot of options to working with this. Now let's use this as our example of how we can check the price. I'm going to copy the link, and then I'm going to go to a website called camel.com. And all I want to do is look up that Amazon price. So you can just put it right here in their search bar, put the link in, click the little magnifying glass, and it will bring up your pricing. Now, sometimes it's not super accurate with the in-stock things, so you can kind of ignore that. But what you can do is look over here at the pricing options and how much it's been. So you can see Amazon's held pretty steady at $79.98 for their pricing, but because you got that 20% off or that $20 off coupon, it's $59.98, which makes it a really good deal. Camel is a great way to check your prices, and I've checked pretty much all of them on my list. We've also got the Sublifun 2-in-1 pink tumbler heat press. This is great because it can do different size tumblers. As always, Cricut Joy insert cards are kind of expensive, but they've got them on a deal right now for $4.90 for the greeting cards, and they come in a bunch of different colors. This white backdrop is great if you need to take pictures. I thought $7.49 was a pretty good price because it's 50% off. This you could like hang on your wall or lay down or whatever you want to do with it, and it just helps you get better pictures. We also found some Printer's Jack sublimation paper. Now this is A4 size, but it's only $7.20, which is a great price. Now, if you guys don't know, I crochet, and I found some Red Heart Super Saver bright yellow yarn for $10.10 for a 3-pack, which is pretty good. It's about $3.33 a skein, so that's a good deal. Now here we have the Godora DTF powder in white. This is the powder I used when I did my sublimation DTF hack video. It worked really well. I really, really like it. This was just a really pretty tie-dye heat transfer vinyl for 51% off at $10.39 from HTV. Really nice. If you're looking for a sublimation oven, this one's really, really nice. I have the same one in a different brand, but it's the exact same oven and it works great. For $227, it's normally $299, so I think that's a really good deal. This was another item that was on special but is no longer, so like I said, if you see something, grab it. We've got my favorite scissors. I have like legit like these all over my house because they're really well priced and they work really, really well. For $7.64, you get 3 scissors. We've got a Cricut Joy tool set for $6.39. The Cricut Easy Press 2 is only $99 right now, and the Cricut Easy Press Mini is only $39. Now here's the Joy for $99, so if you just want the Joy instead of that bundle up above, it's $99. You can get this Cricut Explore 3 machine, and it includes like a digital pack of designs for $249. Your Cricut Joy Extra is $149. And this was, again, one of those items that was on a little bit better special, but it's still pretty good at $309. This is going to come with some smart vinyl rolls, some guides, and things like that. So this is kind of a bundle for $309. Now, these are technically not on Prime Day deals, but they are on sale for $199 for the EcoTank 2800 and then $219 for the EcoTank 2850. The EcoTank 2850, I think the only difference is this one might have a scanner. I didn't look that closely at them, but they're both great printers if you're looking for an inkjet printer or for one to change over to sublimation. Now here we have the PYD Life tumbler press. This is $118.14. Again, this is really similar to the press that I already own. Really love that press, but this is basically the same one, just with a different brand. These Sharpie markers are on sale for $27.03. And again, some things are saying Prime Day deals and some aren't, but you're still getting huge discounts. Like this is a giant discount on this big pack of Sharpies. But then they also have these really cool Sharpie Clearview highlighters for $7.97. I just thought those were neat, and I thought that was a pretty good price. We've also got these Twinkle Starlights for 30% off. These are fun when you're making like light up canvases or jars, all sorts of things. Those are super handy. Now this baby, this is my baby. I have had one of these since 2017. I got it to do some things with my wedding, and this bad boy has lasted me forever. I cut all sorts of things on it and it's still perfect. $26.30 is a great deal for a quality paper cutter like this. Now again, another item that I need to take off the list were these Nakapas mats, but this is a great deal here if you need a pressing pillow. This is a heat press mat. You can use it on a regular press, an easy press, all the things for $7.19. There's also a great deal on these rhinestones. They're only $3.99 and you get 5,000 pieces, and there's a couple size options available. Another item that is no longer on Prime Special. Then we have this scrapbook tape. You get a 4-pack for $6.64. This stuff is really nice. I love using this with my cardstock projects. If you're looking for a large heat press, there's a Verver 15 by 15 8-in-1 heat press for only $2, oh my gosh, $249.99, which is great because it's normally $299. I've got another tumbler heat press. This one is basically, again, very similar to the one with the PYD Life, and this one's $159. It's not on special anymore. It was, which is disappointing. Now here, I'm going to show you this. This is a heat press pad here. You'll see that this one is $15.99. I would probably get that one because it's a little cheaper. And then last but not least, I have the Cricut Easy Press 2 machine. That one's normally $239. It is on sale for $139. So you're saving $100. Such a good deal. Now I'm adding to this list all day long for the next 2 days. Again, the list is linked below, but I'll also link it up in the video, up in the corner for you. So be sure to check out all the great deals. There's so many deals coming, so many things to find. I love this day. This is my Olympics. Make sure you're following here on YouTube. I've also got posts on all my Facebook groups and my Facebook page all about the great deals that you can find here on Amazon. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and as always, happy crafting.